Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate auto caption on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one. For example, I'm going to generate auto caption for this video. And before I generate the auto caption, I'm going to show you the original video. Okay, and if you want to add auto caption, you can go to the text menu and then select auto caption, and then you can choose the source of the caption. It can be from your video or your voiceover, and since I don't have voiceover, so I'm gonna choose my video. Okay, and then for the spoken language, you can choose auto detect, or you can choose the spoken language in the video. And since my video is in English, I'm going to choose English. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the template, guys. There are a lot of templates that you can use. If you haven't subscribed to Capcut, you can use the free template. And for the caption, I'm going to choose this caption, word by word caption. All right, and then you can click on generate. Okay, and you just need to wait, guys. And it's free, but you only have 1 credit for 1 month. If you want to generate more, you need to subscribe to Capcut. And let's see how it looks.
I'm on the way to the office.
Okay. And if you're not satisfied with the auto caption, you can do batch editing. You can click on edit caption here, and then you can edit the caption right here. Okay, you can also change the style if you don't like the previous style. Okay, and then you can also add the bilingual caption, but it's not for free user. Okay, you can also change the font, guys, if you want, and animation. For me, I'm just going to leave it like that. And if you want to download the video, you can click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.